Just got my 30 minutes in. I just got back and it just started to pour. Oh. All right, guys, before we get cooking, shout out to all the Pace University folks coming out in May. Congratulations, guys. What's better, 3 blades or 5? Well, thanks to Schick, we're gonna find out. Their new Skin Comfort Hydro 5 handles. So both of these handles will fit the Hydro 5 cartridges and also the 3 blade cartridges that you're seeing here. 5 blades, 3 blades. Let's go. Okay guys, stay tuned for the end of the video where I'll be showing the unboxing of both of these products. Some of you are asking me to put some polish on the beard. I'm not putting polish on the beard, just like I'm not putting plugs in my bald head. I'm all natural. Now I just jumped out of the shower, so I've steamed up. I'm just going to apply a little bit more near hot water on the skin, and I'm going to be using, it's an all Schick day, I'm going to be using Schick's Extreme Moisturizing Shave Foam. Smells really nice, guys. And goes on thin, which I like from a foam. You've got your Gillette Foamy, not foam mousse, but the foamy, and like a Barbasol being the thickest out of the can, which is cool. But I tend to like a thinner foam. We're gonna keep the goatee as per iMoney, and we're gonna start off with our 3-bladed Hydro Skin Comfort. Very nice, guys. Smooth, protective, easy, carefree. Nice. Starting the first pass with the grain, guys. And it did quick work of my face. Now I'll take it down to the neck. Nice easy strokes, good pivot, good control. Decent amount of feedback. And you see how quick and easy that was? Now Schick makes a really, really cool product. Let's take a look at it. You have this lube strip with these gel pods. They emit some nice lubricating gel with each stroke. And guys, that's wonderful, wonderful feeling. Little tingle going from that Schick foam, which I like. I have to check the ingredients to see if there's any menthol in it. Now we're gonna go with our Hydro 5. Now there's a double pivot in the Hydro 5 handle. If you like that pivot here and that pivot there, or if you don't like it, you can lock it. I'm gonna keep it open since it's a little bit of a differentiator, and let's see how it goes. All right, 5 blades. Nice contact. I feel the difference. I feel more contact with my face. Still very protective. Still very smooth. Made quick work of that pass. Very quick, very easy, no thoughts, no worries, no nicks, no tugs. Let's do the feel test. comparable shave, guys. A little bit more warm water. And this is what may make or break the 5-blade experience. So right now, they're very comparable. But now I'm gonna do an against the grain pass. With 2 more blades, there's 2 more areas of friction, 2 more areas of potential cause of irritation. Let's add the Schick foam again. Really like this stuff. Very nice lemony smell to it. Citrusy lemony smell. Sort of a green apple smell, maybe. Little green apple, maybe. Very nice though. Subtle, but there. And again, it goes on nice and thin. Now we'll go with 3 blades. Against the grain, so I'm gonna flip the blade upside down, start on the neck. And I'm shaving up. Very nice. No nicks, no tugs, no clogs. Oh yeah, very nice. No issues, no problems on the against the grain pass. No tugging, no weepers. I think each of these blades is individually cushioned. I think that's the difference between the Skin Comfort and the traditional Hydro 5 cents. All right, against the grain. Take that all the way up to the goatee. Still very comparable shaves. Hear that feedback though? More feedback. Definitely with the 5. No clogging. Nice. I want to say I'm very, very impressed. I think it's a push, guys. Let me do the feel test here. What seems to be a closer shave? Well, the Hydro 5 Skin Comfort is a little bit of a closer shave, but that's to be expected. And if you're not paying the penalty of irritation, of grabbing, of clogging for 5 blades, then maybe more is more. Another difference in the 5-bladed cartridge from the folks at Schick that is not on the 3-blade is you can pop that and you have a precision trimmer. I haven't had great luck with precision trimmers, so I try to avoid them at all costs. And basically what it does is it exposes that top blade. It exposes the top blade. The Gillette and many other precision trimmers tend to be on the back. This is unique, where that just exposes, gives you access to that blade. You could get in here and trim that goatee. If you want to, if you want to. And I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't wanna make a mistake. But very, very nice. Comparable shaves in the sense of irritation, of tugging, of pulling. They both performed really, really well. Slightly more stubble is gone on the 5 side than on the 3 side. And if I wanna give it another go, and I wanna do a cross grain, which is typically what I would do for my second pass, but since I'm here, let's do a cross grain pass. Just for shits and giggles, guys. Let's see. I'm trying to eliminate one of these. Try to make one stumble. We're gonna do a cross grain pass. all the way up to that goatee. And this will eliminate those bits of stubble that I was feeling. Take your time. Don't get cocky because you're not feeling anything. You can always nick yourself up, especially on these cross grain and against grain passes. But I tell you what, guys, that is a nice, smooth shave. The 3 is awesome. Let's go back over to our 5. And we'll do the same. Feather pass. Take your time. You hear the snappiness of that blade or the cartridge head? It's a lot more snappy on the 5 blade than on the 3 blade. And it's sharper, guys. Felt a little bit of a grab. So you really want to take your time. But I tell you what, with that slight, and you can see a little bit of blood, with that slight nip, very, very comparable. All right, now guys, I'm gonna flash or rinse with cold water. I'll close the pores, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. I'm gonna finish up today with the Long Rifle Hawkeye Shave Tonic. My girl, Jackie, bought this for me. Really, really nice. It's a cedar wood, lavender, and citrus. A little splash of this. Oh, so nice. Oh, yeah. It's got an oily base to it, so I'm going to use it today as a makeshift beard oil, and it just smells divine. All right, final thoughts, guys. If you're of the opinion that 3 blades is better than 5, you're not losing anything by going with the Skin Comfort 3. If you're in the house that loves more blades, more power, again, you're not losing anything with the 5. If I were going to use one of these either day, I'd probably opt for the 5, and here's why. It has a little bit more snap. You have the ability to lock or unlock the second pivot, which I like. So you lock it up and it's a little bit more stable. You do have the precision trimmer, which is nice for some folks, even though I don't love it. So I would opt for this. Nice, beautiful shave. Now guys, as usual, I'm gonna leave links to the products featured here in the description box below. That way, if you're interested in one of these products, you can have it shipped right to you, and you'll be doing something for you, something for me and the CMO. And guys, you know that's a win-win. It's a win-win. Now, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching today. This Friday, I'm going to get back to live and do a midnight shave. It's going to be a Budget Wars, thanks to my boy, Jimmy G. I'll pick out 2 budget razors. I'll pit them up against each other in a nice midnight shave. So be there midnight Eastern time this Friday for a Budget Wars midnight shave. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. You're going to keep pushing play. All right, guys, I want to thank the folks at Schick for introducing these new products. Gives me some new stuff to talk about. Let's unbox them. And we're going to start here with the Hydro Skin Comfort the 3-bladed version. Now both of these blades and handles are compatible with the Hydro 5. In fact, it says it fits Hydro 5. So if you buy this handle, you can use the Hydro 5-bladed cartridge, or you can go with these 3-bladed cartridges. Now, I'm one that really likes, for cartridge shaves, 3 blades as opposed to 5. So less equals more. But let's take a look. Let's unbox them. Now I like this new package. So there is your Hydro handle. Very nice, very elegant. Has sort of a Mach 3 sweep to it. Pivoting head. 3 blades of fun. The Schick gel pods. So this loop strip has these little independent little pods of gel that help lubricate every stroke, or with every stroke. Rubber guide at the bottom. And does it have the... No, it does not have the precision trimmer. But very, very nice. This pack comes with 3 additional cartridges. It's the value pack. Now here is the HYDRO Skin Comfort 5-blade. Again, fits Hydro 5, makes sense. And now right off the top, I do notice a difference. There's a little bit more heft to this. Slightly more heft. We also have the double pivoting head. So the head pivots here as well as on the cartridge. Now that can be locked as on most Hydro handles. So if you don't like the double pivot for some reason, you can lock that up. You've got the same gel pods up top, loop strip, guide at the bottom, 5 blades. But this has the precision trimmer. So you pull this back and you have access to that top blade for trimming. I don't have real good success with precision trimmers. There's not enough protection. And the angle is always incorrect. So I try to avoid them. But if you like a precision trimmer, you want to get the 5-blade. Again, these blades, if I pop this off, here's the 5-blade. If I pop off the 3 and I go to the 5, it fits. So this is the Hydro 3 handle. With the 5-blade, and if I wanted to use this Hydro 5 handle with 3 blades, I could do that as well. But I'm going to leave them the way they came. Very, very nice. That's it. Now time to clean up. Oh, and roll the music.